Wow your audience with Rileighs Outdoor Decor. Celebrate the holidays from a safe driving or walking distance with custom light show displays from Rileighs Outdoor Decor. Our superior line of quality products will enhance the beauty and success of any seasonal holiday or community celebration. From our traditional series of animated light displays and our designer series of elegant European design, sparkling giants for family portraits, to our newest Halloween pumpkins and fiberglass displays.
Financially, we had to come up with some creative solutions to draw more people in and more revenue. We need to do something to extend our season and to provide opportunities for people to enjoy the winter. So we decided let's have an open experience for walking as well as for cars to come through and see these wonderful zoo lights.
They came out and gave us a lot of really good ideas about where those lights should go.
They actually drove through the park themselves, they videotaped it, and that's what helped us put together the best package for what was going to work here in the park and what was going to be the best wow factor for our guests.
We immediately started work on design, and we only had about 2 months from the signing of contract to implementation.
Not only were they supplying us with the displays, but they came out and installed them as well. They had a giant crew out here for probably 5 or 6 days straight.
They've got this special white glove treatment that was very attractive to us.
They do all of the setup. They make sure that everything's working properly. Then at the end of the year, they come back through, they tear it all down, and they store it during the off season and get it ready to bring back again next year.
Every bit of extra stuff that hangs in the trees go back home for refurbishment. They go back, get fixed, get new bows, make sure all the lights are working, and they come back as good as new.
It makes it really simple, really easy, and provides just a really incredible outdoor experience for our folks on our campus and their friends and families who want to come and visit.
We also liked working with Rileighs because they could customize the pieces for us.
There's animated silhouettes, there's static items, there's snowmen, there's a nativity scene, there's giant tunnels, there's twinkling lights, there's blinking lights.
A big wow factor is this large panel tree behind us with these lights and how dynamic it is, along with music pumping through.
Part of that also was integrating with the Twinkly Pro, which we have a lot of canopies for shade. And so one of the ways to animate those canopies was to hang the Twinkly Pro all around them.
Another really good thing about working with Rileighs is they offer new product every year, and so we'll be able to add to the lights, add to the displays, and hopefully over the years it'll grow and it'll become something that the community can enjoy with us.
Overall environment for the family and for dates as well.
The ability to create a spectacle here in the downtown sets us apart, and we couldn't do it without Rileighs' support.
Rileighs Outdoor Decor will help make your next holiday drive-through or walk-up light show display a safe and enjoyable community favorite.